Hello and welcome, Greg here from Motormatch Crew, sharing with you today this used BMW X4 20DM Sport xDrive in this lovely blue paint. Before we continue, make sure to check out the description below as it's packed full of factory fitted extras making it incredibly desirable. Key equipment highlights on this model include the stylishly designed LED headlights with LED daytime running lights, whilst around the side upgraded 20-inch alloy wheels in bi-colour orbit grey and blue brake calipers. In the rear, the story is no different, with signature-shaped full LED taillights, giving your X4 a distinctive look when travelling at night. And for easy access, there's a power-operated liftgate revealing a cavernous load area, and that's even down before you fold it down the rear seats in a 40-20-40 configuration. Inside, Vernasca leather with contrasting stitching will grace seating for 3 in the back with their own air vents and climate control, and in the front there are decorative door and dash inserts, upgraded front sport seats that will really hug you in and offer electric lumbar support. The driver will certainly enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel with paddle shifts, as well as this part digital instrument cluster, and the floating infotainment system is an absolute joy to use, operated via rotary dial. There's AM, FM and DAB digital radio reception with a Harman Kardon loudspeaker, BMW's concierge services with Bluetooth, as well as built-in satellite navigation to ensure you never get lost. Connected drive services are also on offer, and helping you park is a rear view camera with front and rear parking sensors. Down below there's even 2-zone climate control with heated front seats and plenty of cabrio storage available for devices as well. This has been a presentation of the used BMW X4 M Sport that is now available to purchase at our dealership. For more information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team today.